check it out. I'm assembling this super cool little tablet stand. The back slips in like that. This thread's on. I don't know why I'm having a hard time with it. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so we can do kind of a demo and install. Stick around, I'm going to do an unbox and install and show you how it works. But I'm excited about that. It seems really sturdy and strong. The springs that are holding that pad in place, I'm not worried about that sliding or slipping. There's little rubber bits here and a little rubber bit here, and mounting screws that go with this. Today I'm going to show you this really cool, super functional tablet mounting system. So it's fairly simple. We open it up and we can see it's packed really well here. This is extremely adjustable, and then there's a little set of instructions with it, and then the ball and mount that goes with it. So the way we're going to mount this, I'm going to mount it on a stand so I can move it around in my shop. But anyway, this says lock and unlock. So unlock, obviously loosen that, take it all the way off. Put this over that. Yep, that's going to work there. Put that on there like that, and we can put it together. And then for the tablet part of it, you just bring it over. You just bring it over to your tablet and pop it on like that. So you see, it mounts from anywhere between a really small to a really huge tablet. There's dimensions on it. I think it's like 5 inches to 13 inches or something. So that's kind of impressive. But in order to install it, like I said, we showed you the assembly here was pretty darn simple. And then there's some screws here, and there's anchors to go into sheetrock, or there's just screws if you want to put it into wood. But I'm going to go make a little temporary mount for it so I can move it around my shop and monitor things while I'm working. Alright, so if you can see my thought process here, I've got a piece of wood. I'm going to cut it here and glue it together straight up. But I'm going to go about that height. That'll hold my tablet without any problem at all. So I just want to put a little mark on the wood where I'm going to cut it. Alright, here we go. I drilled a couple of pilot holes in here. I mounted this just by drilling a couple pilot holes, putting a couple of screws in the bottom of that. So a couple of this, a couple of that. It's going to go together pretty quick for me. I think this will be more versatile than a wall mount. Yeah, okay, now remember you put this on like that and then snap that on like that. Put this back on and it will lock it, hold it in position, and then just grab your tablet, put it on there like that. Okay, that was a super cool, super quick little project, but I'm excited about that. It's going to really sit well on my bench. As you can see, cool tablet. Tablet works. The tablet is adjustable. Like even if I wanted it up higher or I wanted to have a bigger tablet. So my little stand is going to work good. So once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending me this mount. This is super cool. I'm excited about it.